Digital versus physical infrastructure. Where should you invest? When starting a business, you have to decide where to invest first, digital or physical infrastructure. Here's a simple breakdown. Digital infrastructure. This includes your website, social media accounts, and software tools. For example, a good e-commerce website can help you reach customers all over India. Physical infrastructure. This includes your office machinery or inventory. For instance, if you are in manufacturing, investing in quality machinery might be your priority. Real life examples. If you are starting a bakery, having a small but well designed shop, physical, and a strong Instagram presence, digital, can work wonders together. Where do you think your business needs investment first? Let me know in the comments and I will share my suggestions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.